with us because we couldn't get Sarah Palin. Anyway, he's the actor turned best-selling author. He's out with a new book. This one is a novel, and it's called The Death and
Beginning. You'll give us $20 every time we say...
As Vice Presidential-elect...
Oh, come on. You
Sarah Palin's favorite...
Okay. You said politician, like, on both sides.
So what I'll do is when I answer, I'll just go, you know, as Vice Presidential-elect Sarah
Whatever
Palin's...
works for you. Are you now her favorite author as well?
Yes. It's interesting. My first, kudos to Mark Tabb, my writing partner. He's fabulous.
Oh, come on. He wrote the whole thing.
But this is Sarah Palin's favorite, and she hasn't even read it yet. Isn't that fabulous? This, quite frankly.
You are among friends here.
Upcoming presidential election and Vice Presidential-elect Sarah Palin.
Look at you.
Mr. McCain, the senator, and Sarah, and my endorsing them and getting out there and banging the drum for the two that I feel are the right people for the job, in my opinion. God bless America. Let's just say that I've had to hire, for this upcoming Thanksgiving, a professional food taster, Kathy. It is. I mean, obviously, in this environment, you have a lot. I mean, when Joe the plumber is as passionate as he is, you know, because that does represent a lot of folks, you know. And that's why I've said all along, you know, people have to vote for the guy, all things considered, not just, you know, the economy, but, you know, with, you know, issues with jihadists and this. And I mean, there's a lot on. I got to tell you about my new internet project. It's got two divisions. It's got the Christian Values Network and the Jewish Values Network, and it's going crazy, and it's big charity.
Oh, really?
That's a new for you. That's new for you.
Become a member for free. Every time they shop, a 7 to 10% donation goes to the church, ministry, or charity of their choice at no extra cost to them. It's with the money that they're spending already.
What do you?
Best Buy,
Macy's.
That's
Smart.
They're all going to give this.
Idea.
Well, in these times, charitable works at no extra cost to you. It's called the Christian Values Network, CVN.org.
And what's the name of your
which happens to be the favorite book of Vice Presidential-elect and Stephen Baldwin and her favorite book.
You